If you accidentally crack or break a vinyl plank during cutting or installation, pause and choose whether to reuse it for an out-of-sight cut or replace it with a fresh plank. When you crack a plank, first set the damaged piece aside and mark it for use on small end cuts that will be hidden under trim or a fixture. For any visible area, cut a new plank sized precisely to the opening using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge. Score deeply in several passes rather than trying to slice through at once. Handle all thin edges gently when moving planks to avoid creating hairline fractures that spread later. Carry single planks vertically and support them along their length. When fitting a replacement, dry fit first so you can trim for an exact tongue and groove engagement, then remove and apply the recommended adhesive or locking method following manufacturer guidance. If a cut is complex around pipes or irregular shapes, pre-score the cut line and make small incremental cuts to avoid forcing the blade through the plank, which causes chipping. Keep a small stash of extra planks and matching transition pieces from your original purchase so color and wear match the installed floor. A common mistake is forcing a saw through a plank, which creates jagged breaks. Fix that by pre-scoring and using a fine-toothed blade or hand score technique. Another frequent issue is mishandling thin boards while carrying them, which creates cracks later. Prevent that by supporting planks along their length and using protective boards when transporting. The third problem is trying to use a visibly cracked plank in a foreground location to save material. Instead, reserve any flawed pieces for hidden cuts and always cut a fresh plank for exposed areas. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like bathroom flooring and offers a community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot installation problems. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work while hosting a discussion community for practical advice and real-world experience.